Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's your boy Terrence Pounds back with another investment video on a rug pull or a bad trade, FX Master Gold, Absolute Markets, the brokerage that we use for it. Money's gone. But before I go any further, let me say I am not a financial advisor. I'm obviously a risky YouTube dude that was invested in this program, FX Master Gold, and lost some money. Now, you should never invest in anything in this space because anything can happen at any given point in time. If you cannot afford to lose it, don't put it out here. I'm going to remind you, it's like the casino, it's like the lottery. I don't care what project it is. You are taking a gamble. You're sending your money away somewhere in hopes that you can get that back and some. And so never, ever, ever invest more than you can afford to lose. And if you can't stomach losses, please just keep your money in your savings account. Period. I can't tell you any better than that. But if you're gonna play this game, it's risky, yo. It's high risk and high reward. Now let's talk about FX Master Gold here. Let me share my screen and show you what I woke up to this morning, right? This is from FX Master Gold's Telegram channel. Now, if you're not following the projects that you're in, their social media channels, stop reaching out to me to ask what's going on. I'm just being serious. Like, I get tons of texts, tons of calls, what's going on, but you're not even following their social media. Like, I'm gonna come and get the same information from their social media. And so you don't even have to call me and ask me. And then we're sharing this information in my social media channels. But you need to do this yourself, folks. You got money invested. How come you don't have their Telegram? Somebody told me the other day, oh, well, I don't do social media. Well, don't call me for your announcements. Like, seriously, this is your money invested too. And so you as a responsible investor, you should be on their Telegram, you should be on their Snapchat, you should be on their Instagram, you should be on their YouTube, you should be on their Facebook. You should be connected to the ways that they disseminate this information. And now, if you're not connected to all of those, then you need to come to my social media channels, my YouTube, my Telegram, my Facebook to get the answers. Because as soon as we know, we're going to put the information out. But honestly, folks, man, I mean, you know, you have to be better at following this stuff yourself. And so this is another example of a project here today, gone tomorrow. Just on Zoom, deposited $2,600 in it on Thursday on a Zoom. I took my 2000 out on Saturday though. They stopped trading on the weekends. I've been moving money like that. I left $600 in there, right? Here's this important announcement. As you know, trading is a long journey with a lot of up and down. That's true. Most of you are following our gold strategy since few months already with consistency. We almost always delivered our target. Today, as every time, we use the same strategy which delivered good results week after week. However, since the new year, market is very unstable due to economic situations, the war in Ukraine, inflation, etc. Per our strategy, the news gold should have been bullish. Unfortunately, hold on, let me get this out of your way. Unfortunately, the most difficult part of Forex is to control your emotions. Today, one of our traders kept trader keep buying using the martingale system instead of calling it a day, which is a serious mistake. As a result, we had our first negative day and margin call since we started this strategy, and it's a shame. We are deeply sorry for this, and we know no words can solve this. It's sadly part of Forex. Now, I'll be honest with you. I trade, I get it. Like, if this is real, I get it. Like, I blow on wallets. Like anybody that's followed me in the trading space, I blow on wallets. I've also blown them up. I've made a lot of money trading, but any trader can have a bad day. And we were copying their trades. Now, their drawdown was supposed to be lower. So we expected this thing not to happen, but they're not the first ones to completely blow the account. And this is what happens with traders. It can happen with the robot. But this is what happens with traders. They traded on emotion. And so whether this is true or not, I don't know. It could be a complete rug pull. It could be the greatest story in history, and not in history, but oh, we lost it all, it blew it. Or they could have just ran off with the money. And I don't know how to verify that. I'm not saying I verified it. I'm not even going to go try to verify it. The bottom line is the money's gone. Here today, gone tomorrow. And then this says right here, Um, on our side, as a result, we had our first negative day. I'm right here. Margin call since we started the strategy. It's a shame. We are deeply sorry for this, and we know no words can solve this. It's sadly part of a Forex. On our side, we are losing our reputation, our business, which was growing every single day for the past months, and most important, our clients' trust. At this point, we need to think about our strategy and come back with a better risk management. It was always a key rule for us, and today, one of our trader and market did not apply it at all. And I mean, that's true. So they risked it all. They went super deep, whatever they decided to do, it can happen in trading. That's all I'm saying. It can happen in trading. And I'm not trying to make excuses for them. I don't want you to think that. But I'm just analyzing their statement and just really looking from the back end as being a trader. Now, could have been a rug, 1000% could have ran off with the money. But is this a true scenario that can happen in trading? Ask any trader. Yes, it can. Now, as you know, we never hide our trading results. We wanted to say on the channel, sorry for this MC, but that is part of trading and it happens to the very best, even the world class traders, bankers. The goal is to remain the exact same to deliver consistent and transparent results. Please, as you know, we will receive 10 of thousands of DMs. So there was how many people in this platform? And we will not answer DMs regarding today, as we explained it all above, and will not be constructive. We will come back stronger than ever. So here's my take, right? Here's their message. They have nothing else to say. I have nothing else to say. And if and when they come back around, I might try them again. If I feel like they really didn't run off with it, I'm just being honest. I'm talking about me. I'm not telling you what to do. I might give them a try. Now, might be different for me than you. I've been in it since December. Now, you guys know I pull my profits down. This is a lesson in taking profits off the table. So if you've been in it for any amount of time, and I know there's some people that just signed up yesterday, last week, few days ago, then you didn't have a chance to do that. But if you've been in this for 30 days or longer, even 2 to 3 weeks or longer, and you took zero profits when you can take profits all the time, every day, then you're wrong. You're wrong. Your strategy is wrong. You're not going to win in this space. These things come and go. And so if you're not thinking, I need to take some money off the table because this might go here today and gone tomorrow, then you playing the game wrong. You are playing the game wrong. And I get that it takes you back from, compounding, compounding, compounding. And if you just do this, this amount of time, then you'll start pulling down. But folks, man, none of this crap is guaranteed. None of it. None of it. None of it. Get that through your head. None of it's guaranteed. And I had to tell myself that, after this last debacle with, AMSA Doge, and, I didn't go too hard in cat. I mean, I put 4,000 and that's hard enough. But, I gamble in the, $500 to $5,000 range on projects. That's what I do. Not to tell you to do that, but that's where my gamble style is at right now. But this crap hurt a lot of people, y'all. And so if I can tell you anything, man, please, please, please do your due diligence, which I don't think due diligence would have stopped this. And maybe for some people it did. There were some people that didn't like it for different reasons, but that's fine. But get your seed capital back fast, folks. You'll sleep better at night, And even though I got wrecked in this project with just $600, I lost 1,000 early on. I made my money back and I reduced it, so I was playing with house money, but it still doesn't feel good for all the people that I know weren't in that situation. Somebody posted in my group, "This one hurts." I mean, it hurts, man. It hurts, hurts, hurts so bad. And so, folks, I just need you to make sure you be careful, understand what's going on in this space, count every single play as a potential rug pull or scam, every single play. Then, you wonder why I invest some of these projects. You're like, oh, that's a scam. Man, all this stuff could be a scam or a gamble. So I decide what I want to wager my risk capital in. And that's also why I'm diversified, folks. Yeah, that's why I'm so diversified. So I'm not shocked when something happens. Yes, it hurts, but I'm diversified and you should be too. Now, how many programs is that? That's up to what your risk tolerance is. I'm at 40. I'm going to go for 50 or 60. Yeah, that's where I'm going for. Some of them I'm going to bulk up on. Some of them I'm just play the game. Everybody's strategy is different, but you need to make sure you're getting your seed capital off the table. And, And just be careful, folks. Understand his risk. Okay. All right. Well, I hope you didn't get hurt too bad. I know you're going to be reaching out for more projects and stuff. You need to just come over to my Telegram channel here, um, which is the Passive Income Club by Money Motivation and Ministry. You can come over here and you can see all of the projects that I'm in. And the way we set this up on Telegram is that you can come to the main chat in here if you would like. And this is the main chat. And then you can just talk about whatever you want to talk about in here. Just, chat it up. It's where people hang out. There's the promotions page when I do promotions, tech support if you need tech support. Ask an admin, get directly to the admin. All of my projects that I'm in, so you can see in here, we talk about these. This is the welcome page. Apex 376 Partners, which is paying. ArcFi, which is paying, which is the #1 project I'm recommending with Xnodes at this particular time. And then rug pulls, you get to talk about all the rug pulls. You can FUD, you can do whatever just to make yourself feel better and have a community of people that like to talk about it over here. And rug pull, scams, Vin, and FUD. And we have tons of people in here talking about stuff. So this is one of the busiest groups right here. Vortic United, C12. We just closed FX Master Gold today, obviously, so you won't see this bubble, but you can talk about it over here in rug pools. AAS is still paying. CryptoProgram.me, Coin Market Bull, Mev's Army, Funds and Novatech FX, IX Global, and my ministry channel. And anything else that I'm in, we just talk about it here in all projects or over here in the main group chat where most people hang out and talk about different things too as well. And then, folks, if you're not on Telegram, you need to get on Telegram. A lot of these projects are on Telegram, and you need to follow the projects you're in. And if they're not on Telegram, you need to follow the social media channels, the outlets, and all of that stuff yourself. You need to do that yourself. You need to do that yourself. And then, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and stop this share here, and then I'm gonna just show you the couple other things that I got going on here too as well. But if you can like, share, comment, and subscribe on this YouTube video, if you can like, share, comment, and subscribe on this YouTube video. And let me get here and show you two other things, and then we're out of here. I got some other stuff to do today, man. This is very frustrating once again. Okay, so do that, like, share, comment, and subscribe. The YouTube channel that I have here is organized by playlist. So if you want to know what I'm in, you want to see a list of these projects, you just come over here and come to my channel. And it's organized by playlist. Or you go to that Telegram group that I just showed you. So you can easily pull up the playlist or just go through the videos as they come out, however you want to like it. Some people told me they've been watching. I'm flattered by that. I am so appreciative of that. But do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Binge watch if you want, but just make sure that you're making investments that you can afford to lose the money. So this is Money Ministry and Motivation YouTube channel. Come over and check it out. And then, I have Zooms every Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you can jump on. It's open to the public. I cover 3 to 5 hot projects every single week. And then, I have a Facebook group, which is Money and Motivation Passive Income Group. Let me pull that up here. Money, Motivation, and Passive Income Group. And I got about 2,800 people that have blessed me as far as joining this particular group. And this is a community, I hang out over here, almost 3,000 people in here. I'll post updates. So if you want to stay in touch, I got the Telegram for you. I got the Facebook group for you. And then the YouTube channel for you. Like, if you can't get the answer from one of those three from me, then stop texting me and messaging me. Go look at those places, because this is where I'm assimilating the information to the multiple people that want it. That's where you need to go look for it at. So here's the Money, Motivation, and Ministry Passive Income Group. And then last thing that I'm going to show you here before I get off here is my website, which is CryptoMadeEasy.net. CryptoMadeEasy.net. And then here you can come and see it's your gateway to passive income with crypto, forex, arbitrage, and copy trading. And then if you want to book a free consultation, free with me, a free 1 hour consultation. You can come over here and book a consultation with me. And that way we can talk about what's working, what's not, what am I in, what do I like. And then if you need help onboarding for any of the projects that I'm in, we can handle that on those consultations. Now, get your appointment because the appointments fill up fast. Like I said, they're free with me. And then if you want to just peruse through the website, you can come over here and take a look at all the projects that I'm in. Double check to make sure they're still going. I try to keep this thing updated, but it's hard to stay up to date on this particular thing. But you can find the true and correct information inside of those social media channels. Or you can reach out to see if it's still working with one of the admins there as well too. But very easy, folks, man. But sorry, it's not a good day. We've been having a rough 2023 for projects coming and going. Some in a couple hours, some in a couple months, some in a couple days, some in a couple weeks, some in a couple years. It's a gamble, but hope you didn't get hurt too bad. Minimize your risk, pull your seed capital out, spread it out, diversify, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. I hope that helps. God bless you. Peace.